So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing the output yoke for your differential. This hooks up to the rear drive shaft, and in this particular vehicle it's leaking. We've already replaced the seal and that hasn't fixed it, so we're going to pull the yoke back off, replace it with a brand new yoke, and that should fix the seal. So things to note if you've never done this before is it's a good idea to jack up the back of your vehicle. That way you can rotate the drive shaft and get to all the bolts necessary to take that U-joint off. Also, if you've never taken a U-joint like that off, make sure you don't lose the caps, because then the needle bearings will fall everywhere and you'll have to buy a new U-joint. So let's get started. So here's the rear output yoke I just uninstalled, and as you can see, that groove right there is what's causing the leak. Now the idea was to replace the yoke, but the yoke I had on hand didn't work. So this thing called a Speedi sleeve, which was referenced in a previous video in the comments section, was recommended by CarQuest, and that's what I'm going to use to fix the yoke and reinstall it. Now this tool slips on top and you just hammer the sleeve onto the yoke. It'll cover that groove there. What that will do is it'll provide a new surface for the seal to ride on, and because it's stainless steel, it'll prevent corrosion and rust, which caused this yoke to fail. So it's more a long-term solution as well as a immediate solution to my problem. Now don't forget the little star gasket that I just installed. I put RTV silicone on mine to help seal it because there was some damage to it, but if you don't install that, it will leak. Down in the description, I've provided links for the most affordable and highest quality tools and parts that I've used in these videos, so feel free to check those out. If you have any comments, feel free to post them in the comments section. I'll try and answer them as soon as possible. Like this video if you like it, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and get future updates whenever I post a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.